Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to swap, trade or convert BUSD into Ripple, also known as XRP, on Binance. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Binance.com and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you can go over to Markets in the top left. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page, you want to make sure that you have Spot Market selected. And once you've done that, you need to go ahead, click on Fiat and select BUSD. You can then go over to the search bar in the top right and search for XRP BUSD. You will now see this pair and you need to click on it. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page you want to go over to the place order section. If you're using the Pro layout, this will be on the right side of your screen, and if you're using the Classic layout, this will be in the middle of your screen, down at the bottom. You can then go over to Buy, click on Market, and now all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of BUSD you would like to swap, trade or convert into XRP, or you can click on Total, click on Amount and fill in an amount of XRP you would like to buy. And once you've filled in the right amount, all that's left to do is to click on Buy XRP. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.